From depth, colour, texture, lighting, there are plenty of ways to create and customise a standout feature wall. In this project, we built a board and batten feature wall in the master bedroom of our Diamond in Richmond renovation, which created a crafted and sophisticated look to the room. Here is my how to build a feature panel wall. Step 1, plan and prepare. As with any project, preparation is key. Take your time to plan your design and how you will build it before you get started. There are many ways you can customize how you create your look. The spacing, size, and design of the rails, let alone the color. Keep in mind the joints of the wall panels to make sure these can be hidden. The symmetry of the panels, as well as lighting, power outlets, and furniture placement. If you plan to add or relocate any light switches, wall lights, or power outlets, arrange for these to be done before you start and make sure you allow for them in your plan. Step 2, align the wall. Whilst the battens can be fixed directly to your wall if it's in good condition, we have lined over our existing plasterboard with a thin sheet of MDF. We did this as we would have had to reline our wall regardless, but primarily as we wanted to get a completely smooth finish. Measure and cut your sheets to reline the new feature wall, cutting holes for power outlets which are on the wall, making sure that any joints between the sheets will fall between one of the vertical battens. Line the back of the sheets with a construction glue, then place and press into position on the wall. We then used a finishing gun to fix these sheets to the wall. Aim to place nails behind where your battens will be installed to minimize the amount of filling required. Step 3, install rails. Now with the wall lined, you can add your rails or battens as per your design. My design calls for 850mm wide by 720mm high boxed panels, with all battens being 100mm wide and 18mm thick. As a cost-effective option, I chose to purchase an 18mm sheet of MDF and cut these down into 100mm lengths with a circular saw and guide. But you may prefer to use standard lengths of timber for your battens. Start by installing the top and bottom rails the full width of your feature wall. With construction adhesive and a finishing gun, fix these in the correct location on your wall. Double check these are in the right location and a level before fixing. Next, fix the vertical rails. With the top and bottom rails installed, you can measure the exact length required for these rails. Cut each one to the exact height to get a tight fit. Check they are plumb, then glue and fix in place. Finally, install the middle rails in the same manner. Measure, cut, glue and fix. Step 4, prepare for painting. Now the wall linings and rails are installed, it's time to prep the wall to make sure you get a good finish. Punch any protruding nail heads and sand any joints which are not flush with each other. Using a suitable filler, fill all nail holes and gaps between any boards. Once the filler is set, sand with a fine grit sandpaper and wipe down any surfaces. Next, with a cork gun and paintable silicone, cork all of the interior corners of the rails to the wall. Step 5, paint. Now your panel wall is built, all you need to do is paint to finish it off. Tape and prepare your wall for painting. Start with a primer to make sure your paint will adhere correctly. We primed before applying the silicone, but you can do it either way. Then apply top coats as required. We applied 2 top coats of a feature colour because we really wanted to make an impact with our feature wall. This is a great way to create a customised feature wall that really stands out, and a great hands-on project on the easier end of the DIY scale. Good luck and enjoy your DIY. For more how-tos and renovation advice, subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out at pearsonandprojects.com. Thanks for watching.